Yes, hi, this is Juan Lince, BM Lince Computers. So today I'm going to show you real quick how to open this HP laptop. This is the 15t-au100. So basically it's simple. You have to remove all the screws first. All these screws. There's no screw here or here, so don't worry about these two. You just go ahead and remove this one, and here in the middle there's one screw that you also need to remove. All are the same size, the only ones that are bigger are these two on the corner. So yeah, once you remove the screws, I did it already, then you go ahead and slice the CD-ROM, and you can do it however you want, but I find easy to just put my finger here and my nail here and just do a little bit of pressure, so you can open a little gap here. So once you open that, I recommend to use a plastic tool just to detach the top to the bottom. So just do like this all around. Just like that, and be patient. I opened this one before, so it's a little easier. If it's a little hard, just try to be patient. Just go around. This corner is usually a little hard, so okay. Let's see. Just like that. So once this is also a little off, then I like to close it, and from here I'm going to try to pull it, like trying to pull it a little towards me, like that, with my nails. So I open it from here, yeah, like that. So I do a little force towards there to try to not force too much the plastics, and then that's it. It's open and it's exposed, so you can do your project. So yeah, if this video helps, please go ahead and like it. You may subscribe. That will help me. Thank you. So this is Juan Lince. Let's go and close it. So to close it, you'll do the opposite. I'll start from pushing from here. So I just push it like that. You can feel the clips right there, and then you just go ahead and keep closing it, just like that. I like to do pressure there. Then you can open it and make sure that everything is aligned. If something is not aligned, just go ahead and do a little more pressure. So okay, yeah, awesome, it's good. So now we just put back everything. So remember to put back this screw, which is the only one that you cannot see. Okay, so the two screws that are a little bigger, they go where the hinges go. So for this computer, I upgraded the hard drive to a Pioneer SSD drive, 1 terabyte. I'm going to leave the link under the description if you want to use that one. And I'm going to show you how fast it boots now. Yeah, he was missing one screw for the CD-ROM. Okay. So I'm going to do it this way because this is my customers, so I don't want to show the name of the owner. So yeah, you see now it's already up and running, and this one is using Norton, so I'm going just to tell you when it's ready. To me, a computer is ready once the antivirus is up, and of course it will show that it's connected to the internet and all of that. It's up and running. So if you like this video, please go ahead and like it. Feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching.